Is your AC in your X3M blowing hot? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to remedy that. And first, we'll start in the settings. So the first thing you're going to want to check is actually not in the settings. It's going to be this button right here that says AC. If this button's not on, it'll literally feel like the heat is on because the car won't be using the AC compressor at all. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that bottom AC button is on. If your car is still blowing hot air, then you're going to want to make your way into your settings. You're going to go to car, you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go, well, it's going to start you here, and then you're going to swipe your way over and go to climate control, and you're going to want to make sure that is in the middle so it can do what it can do. If it's all the way to the cold side, even when the heat on, it's going to be a little bit cold. And if it's all the way hot, then even with the AC on max temperature, with the AC on, it's still going to blow hot air. So make sure the temperature adjustment is directly in the middle. So now if you went through the settings and made sure all of your settings are correct, as well as making sure the AC button is on, I'm going to show you guys how to add some freon underneath the hood. So when you do this, you're going to want to make sure your car is running. You're going to want to make sure your AC is all the way on full blast, so the compressor is going. And then the button above AC, let me turn off the volume. And then the button above AC, the recirculating button, you're going to want to make sure that is pressed as well. And then you're going to make your way under the hood. So you're going to double press your hood release right there. And then on your hood, it's going to tell you exactly what type of freon your car needs. So this one needs R1234YF. So I actually made the mistake of buying R134A freon because that's what every other BMW that I've owned in the past has taken. So that's my bad. So I'm going to continue this video either later on this evening or tomorrow when I get some R1234YF freon. Once again, don't make the same mistake as me. I literally just stopped at Walmart on my way home. Oh, and pro tip, Walmart has freon for cheaper than any auto parts store or Amazon. This bottle was $25 because it has a little pressure attachment. But if you don't need the pressure attachment, this bottle is literally $9. So don't overpay for your freon. Get it at Walmart. So we are back. It's a few days later and we're here with the right freon. And just a little tip for you guys so you don't make the same mistake I do. Check on your hood on the right side. It'll tell you right here R1234YF or R134A. I think the 2020 models have R134A, but if you guys want to be 100% sure, just double check your hood. Do not go with what it says online, because I went with what it said online and I ended up buying the wrong one. So your two AC ports on your X3M, there's one right here, and the one you're going to refill from is the one that's right down there. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. And right now we are in between 30 and 40 on the gauge, so it's right where I want to be, but I'm still going to let it pull in some more. And this can's like automatic, so as the compressor cycles, it pulls out of the can. But some of you guys might have the one with like a trigger, so we're just gonna let this do its thing, and you're gonna want to move it like side to side while it's connected, just so it pulls all the freon out of the can. And yeah, that's how simple it is to recharge your AC. And once you guys are done, you'll definitely notice the AC will cool down your cabin a lot more, and it'll be noticeable.